Hey guys, back with Spoon and Boost, back with the Toyota now. Last time we put these new lights on it, and we put some new blinker lights. We cleaned up the front end a lot, made it look a lot better, but there's still an issue here. Got this old grill that I still have on it. It's all cracked up, the chrome is all peeling off, and it feels like the hood is missing something here. So today, we're going to be installing a nice new grill. It's a little different than what, it's not going to be the same grill. It's going to be it kind of mimics the newer TRD grill that the newer style Tacomas have. And we're going to install a bug visor. So let's continue on to it. All right, in the last video, I changed those changed the lights out like I said earlier. I already got this pulled off, but to get it off, I'll revisit. It has these clips right here. They go in like so. And to get them out, you can push this top piece, or you can push the inside with your thumb or finger, and it pops right out. There's 6 of them, 3 on the bottom, and then there's another 4 on top. Actually, there's 7 of them. I guess I'm bad at counting. Anyways, there's 7 of those clips. 1 down there, 1 over there, center, and then 4 on top. And then your grill should just come right off. So, with this new TRD grill, it's going to have the 4 lights like the newer style Tacomas or the Tundras. And when I did these halos or these headlights that have the DRLs, daytime running lights, I left 1 connector just for them. Because you look over here, and grab. Oh, here they are. These will be inserted into the new grill, and they'll be running when you have your parking lights on. It's gonna make that front end definitely look a lot meaner. Instead of the Toyota symbol like that, it's gonna say Toyota. It's gonna look a lot better. I bet you guys are gonna like it, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna install it. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alrighty. Here's my new grill. It's going to look really good. I'm going to have the nice Toyota emblem, or not the emblem, but letters in the center, and I'm going to have 4 daytime running lights on the top. So for these clips here, you kind of have to put it through that hole. Here, I'll pull it back out again. So have it like this, have the little tab on the side and the end go through, and kind of push it in and kind of push it down just a little bit, and you'll get something like that. So once you do all that, you can push this straight back on and it'll clip right in. But before I do that, I'm going to install my harness for the lights connected to there, and I'll show you that once it's done. And I'll put the lights in here, put the emblems in, and then I'll show you then how it's going to look. Alrighty, I just got my harness installed under here. Got my cables right here for the 4 lights. There's the new grill. I'm doing something special for the letters, so I'm going to wait on that for a second, but just letting you guys know. Here's the harness. Got it all installed here, and if none of you guys saw what I did, or saw the last video when I was installing these lights and how I got that harness there, basically I used the tail light 10 amp. I used one of these it's like a circuit fuse deals. So whenever you turn your parking lights on, this gets power. Sends power through here. Made a ground connection right here on the battery wire loom, and I use that to power on the headlights, DRLs, and went around, and then I made one more connection right here so I can have these be powered by the parking lights as well for the grill. So whenever you have the parking lights on, the grill lights will turn on. So it's gonna look good when it's all done. Alrighty guys, here's the grill. I put the clips on. I think I showed you earlier how to install them, but I got the clips on the grill now. And look at this. Got the Toyota painted, the same color, the color code as the truck. Make it a little bit different, a little more unique. So now to install this, I got all my connectors right here. So I'm going to plug in all my lights real quick. I'll probably clean it up a little bit better yet later. There we go. And then to install the grill, make sure you line all these clips up. Don't want to, like so. Push that in, push it in, like that. There we go. Now that looks like a mean looking Toyota. Let's see how they look with the lights on. Now that's going to look nice going down the road. Maybe in the future I might change these to orange to kind of not have so much white here, but for right now that looks really good. I like the way that sits. Hopefully all you guys like it too. So, next step, installing the bug visor on the grill. Good. Alrighty, here's our new bug visor we're going to install. They came with these new clips. They use Phillips to kind of screw in to make sure they stay secured. So kind of just wrap it around, and there should be some set holes for this. Right there. I need to grab my Phillips actually and I'll install that properly. But there's 4 of these. You install them all right there, there and there, which I'll get that done real quick, and then I'll show you another thing that you can install on the other side of the hood. Alrighty, we got the 4 screws or rivets in. Now it looks a lot better, but you have to install these behind it so when the wind pushes on it, it doesn't tap your hood and start scratching your hood. So, because I doubt anybody wants to rework on paint if they install one of these. So just space it, I got 4 of them, just space them out evenly. And after you do that, that's the end of this installation on how to install the bug visor and this TRD grill that I installed. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Please hit that notifications button to see whenever we upload our videos. Hit subscribe to see any well, please subscribe because that'll help us out in the future, and hopefully we continue to have you guys keep watching us. Thanks for watching.
If this is a dream.